fried chicken with East Indian bottle masala, pulao, green chutney, and beetroot salad. Marinate the chicken with half a teaspoon turmeric powder and salt to taste. For the ground masala, coriander leaves, mint leaves, dry fenugreek leaves, peppercorn, cumin seeds, garlic cloves, cashew nuts, onion, and green chillies. Grind all the mentioned ingredients to a paste. From this ground green paste, take half a cup of the green paste and add it to the chicken pieces. Mix well. Then add 1 tablespoon East Indian bottle masala, half a teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon honey, and mix well. The East Indian bottle masala can be substituted with Malwani masala or any other chicken masala powder. Heat oil in a pan and add the ground chutney and cook on low heat. Season with salt to taste and let it thicken slightly. Shallow fry the marinated chicken until fully cooked. Serve the fried chicken with a simple pulao, a side of beetroot salad, and a green chutney for a wholesome, flavorful meal. Recipe in detail mentioned in the description box.